Oh, honey. These honey garlic carrots, so easy to prepare. It all begins with us taking 1 clove of garlic. I'm gonna finely chop it. Next, I have a small bowl containing 2 tablespoons of butter. I'm gonna add that garlic in and then add 1 tablespoon of honey. I'm then taking this bowl and placing it on the back vent of my oven. I'm turning my oven on to 425 degrees. Now let's say you don't have an oven where the heat is gonna melt that mixture. You can take a saucepan and melt butter, garlic, and honey. You know where this is going. Main ingredient for the recipe is carrots. Of course, all carrots work in this recipe, but I like to use heirloom carrots. Carrots are rinsed, and now I'm taking a peeler. I'm gonna peel away the skin. It's kind of a dark purple color. I have this kind of almost pink grapefruit look. How about these bright yellow carrots, and then finally orange? Once the carrots are peeled, it is chop on both ends, and then I'm gonna split the carrots down the middle. We want the carrots chopped into same sizes so there'll be a uniform oven roast. I'm transferring the carrots onto a baking sheet, and now I have about 2 tablespoons of extra virgin olive oil. You can drizzle it across the carrots, then hit it with some black pepper and some kosher salt. You can toss this by hands or with utensils, and then we're transferring our baking sheet to the oven. We're gonna oven roast for 15 minutes. At that 15-minute mark, bring your baking sheet onto your work surface. Now, butter, garlic, and honey have melted. Stir those ingredients together, and then take a pastry brush and just brush the top of the carrots. You can see those little bits of garlic just kind of hanging on the carrot. Once you've used up all the butter, honey, garlic mixture, the baking sheet goes back to the oven, and we're gonna oven roast for an additional 15 minutes. At that 15-minute mark, you know these carrots are done. They smell so delicious. Bring the tray out of the oven. A 1/4 cup of freshly chopped dill. Just hit it with that dill. Give it a toss. Last thing, sea salt flakes. If you have them on hand, we're gonna give a sprinkle across the top of the carrots for that salty, sweet, crunchy finish to this incredible side dish. You can serve these with your favorite main, but I like to also enjoy them just as they are on their own, really delicious. You're gonna find that out when you make this recipe, and then come on back and hang out again soon. Honey, garlic, carrots. Get going, enjoy. Oh, they're good. You like some more, Nick? I would actually. Hey, I'll have another one. Good.